back to my channel. I'm Angie Styles. We're going to be making I call it anti-acne skin brightening serum. You know, as this serum is going to take care of your acne scars. You know, if you're having pimple on your face or any acne patches, this is going to take care of it if you use it consistently. Okay, all these are natural things, no harsh chemical here. So all you need is patience. Just be patient, calm down, stick to it, continue using it, and you will definitely see results. It's not magic. You just have to continue doing it, you know, just continue doing it and you will definitely see results. But if you want to like get results overnight, I'm sorry, I can't help you. Okay, so let's get right to the video. So to make this serum, here are the ingredients we're going to be using. Here I have my nag powder. This is nag powder. Here I have about 8% of nag powder here, and here I have 10% of my niacinamide powder, and here I have about 1% of HA, that's hyaluronic acid powder. Please, you can correct me. I know I can't pronounce it very well. I used to get all your messages, all my teachers continue, but I would love if you guys can come and be my private teacher. I don't know who accent have ever helped. Okay guys, so the next one is butylene glycol. Butylene glycol. You can see it, even if I don't pronounce it well, pardon me. Here I have my lemon peel. They have video on how to make this. This is the lemon peel in glycerin extract we did the other day. So, you know, that is what we are going to be using as my lightening glycerin. And here I have my orange blossom water. Here I have my Optifem. That is a preservative. And here I'm using frankincense essential oil and my sweet orange essential oil. You can use any essential oil that your skin loves. Okay, so let's get to work. So here I'm gonna start with my butylene glycol. Like I said, I'm using 10%. So in here I have my butylene glycol in here. Like I said, I'm using just 10%, as you can see, which is about 3 grams. Depends on how many ounces or how many grams you are making, you know. So next I'm going to add my acetate powder to it. My nag powder, sorry. So add the nag powder and give it a stir. So I have dissolved the nag in my butylene glycol, as you can see. So next I'm going to add my orange blossom water to it, and I'm using 64%. So I've measured my blossom water out, as you can see. So we're going to mix it later. So now I'm going to add my lemon peel glycerin. Lemon peel extract in glycerin. I use it as my glycerin. You can call it lightning glycerin. Hey, my teachers, no vessel. If my accent is killing you guys, I can't help it. So I'm going to be using like 5% of it, which is about. So next I'm going to give it a stir. Stir it properly. So you can see, after stirring it together, you get a clear water like this. You can see. So in here I have my botulinum glycol, my nag powder, lemon peel glycerin extract, and my orange blossom water. Okay, so now I'm going to add the niacinamide powder to the water, and I'm using 10% of niacinamide powder. Give it a stir until it dissolves properly. So you can see I've added my niacinamide powder and beat it properly, and everything dissolves. So next I'm going to be adding my essential oils to it. Like I say, you can use any essential oil that your skin loves. Okay, then just put about few drops of the essential oil, like about 5 drops of the frankincense oil, and 5 drops of the orange, sweet orange essential oil, and plus I'm going to be adding my Optifine, which is my preservative. If you don't want, you can leave it and not add that. Okay, so I'm gonna add just few drops also. Don't need much, just a little. Then blend it properly. Give it a good blend. So next I'm gonna be adding the hyaluronic acid. Oh, sorry, just sprinkle it. Hyaluronic acid doesn't dissolve easily, as we all know, so we're going to give it a blend. Blend it until the hyaluronic acid dissolves properly. And after that, you can see the serum is ready. As you can see, if it's too thick for you, you add more blossom water, and if it's too light for you, you increase your HA to 1.5%. Okay, so I'm gonna be using a pump bottle to dispense. So that is it. So use this after cleansing, you know, like cleansing your face and toning. Then you just take a little pump, like about just a little pump, is a little goes a long way, and then apply it all over your face or anywhere you are having the spots or anywhere you want to brighten. I love using it all over my face and neck to brighten up. It really works. It's very, very good. Try this and let me know how it works for you. Please try it patiently for at least 8 weeks. Use it constantly for at least 8 weeks. Use it morning and night, okay, to achieve good results. So this in a cosmetics language, they always say acne, goodbye to acne, just with this mix, because the nag itself brightens the skin. Niacinamide also brightens the skin and declares blemishes, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation if you will use it patiently. Because I've been getting a lot of, you know, write-up. People don't have patience using things. They run around from one thing to other, killing their skin and destroying their skin the more. Be patient. Natural things works. All you need is patience, okay? All right, guys, that will be it in our today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope to be less busy so that we can be making more videos, okay? All right, guys, if you are new or you're passing by, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button that will pop up so that you get a notification into my upload a new video. And if you love my video, please give me a thumb up to encourage me to do more. And I will see you guys in my next video. Please stay organically beautiful. And to all my teachers that are correcting me and you know, complaining about my accent, I can't change it. I'm so sorry because I am a typical Naija babe. Okay.